I'm Austin Burton with MidSouth Construction. We're in the middle of a big restoration project at Bethel Baptist in Fairview, Kentucky. We originally got the call, I believe it was about last April 2023. There was a big windstorm that came through Middle Tennessee. The windstorm actually caused the steeple to slightly lean one direction. Before we were involved, they contacted their insurance company through their adjusters and engineers through the insurance carrier. They decided to replace the entire steeple. We found from the second level all the way down to the first level the existing 5-course brick wall that there was structural damage from when the steeple leaned and flexed some of the walls and caused cracking and various issues. After we looked at everything, we gave them a budget for the project. After they talked with our company and several other steeplejack companies, they decided to use MidSouth Construction.
And on this side, you see the little heads. Those are called bump rivets. And that's all they had in the 50s in Nashville. In the early 60s was bump rivets. It takes a tool, a piece of steel on the outside. The guy's got to get a hammer in here and hit it.
Right now we're in the process of redoing the queen egg gutter at the bottom. It's a custom copper sheet metal. But what we do is we go in and form it on site, solder all the seams and all the trim pieces. Really anything on the roof is either going to be made out of copper or a slate where it's exposed. Should last for, a minimum of another 100 years, if not 200 or 300 years.